This is my sweet smoky jollof rice. It's my color in this village, something else. We're about to leave our village house. We're about to leave for back to the city. Here are my children. So I'll carry you guys along, okay? Guys, the village is so sweet, but I really have to leave. Look at my face. I've not been using cream, like I said in my last vlog. Let's go. I'll carry you guys along. Bye. Whenever I am traveling with my kids, I never forget to carry our homemade food. It just makes the journey easier for us. And today it is jollof rice. Look at the way my kids are enjoying their food. I will still give you. You don't want to give the baby. Give me a baby. Hi guys, good morning. This is the nice day, you guys. Good morning. The kids have gone to school. I'm here sipping my morning water. I'm supposed to have taken it before when I was preparing the food, the kids food basically, but I didn't do that, so I am doing it now, guys. Let me show you guys. So ignore the cup, like I have condensed this cup for this. If you check here, you see the cup is this color. So Even if I ask my kids to get me hot water, they already know that it's this cup or the smaller one is that I normally use when it comes to green tea or zobo, because it spoils cup. So yeah, in here I have Lipton, I have this focus, is not focusing. This is Ahmed tea, okay, mint green tea. This is what I have here right now. I have one other one, but it's inside something like strawberry, and I want to go in with some apple vinegar. I got this one a day before yesterday, when I was in before finished. Okay, I think I've added too much. The baby say hi guys.
Hi guys.
So yeah, I have not resumed from the shop. As I told you guys, I'm still very much at home because I'll be traveling next week. The women are going to host us next Sunday, December moms / January moms. So they used to join us together every January to host us, because after the November moms, I'm talking about the Christian mothers in my church. After the after the November mom, people start to prepare for for Christmas. So we don't do December meeting. So we join everything January to host us. So that is all. Today I don't really have much to do today, but I have been the one picking up the kids since we got back. Since I have not resumed, I'm at home. So yeah, I just relieved my husband of that duty, and today I'll be going to see if I can take out my nails. I broke this one, so I forced it out, like not really forceful, but it was paining me, so I have to remove it. I'm supposed to still manage it till the ending of this month, because I fixed it on the 23rd of December, you see, but I just have to remove it and maybe paint my nails. Yeah, that is it for today. I don't know what I'll be doing later, but now is what I'm doing. Whatever comes, I would like to carry you guys along. I just want to relax here, watch Netflix. Okay, I watch YouTube in the night, but now I want to watch Netflix. Let me select what I will watch and relax here. Maybe I'll know what to do later. Anything from the time now is let's see. Okay, this is to 9. Anything from 11 I'll be going out, or let's say 12, because the kids are still closing by 2 for now, because this is the first week of resumption. So I'll go take out my nails, say around 12, and in before 2 hours I'll be done. Then yeah, I'll go pick them and come back to the house. That is what I'm doing now till next week when I'll travel. Okay, so I don't even know the video to select. The one I was watching yesterday was so interesting. Okay, living in bondage, breaking free. Wow, I think I'll go for this. I love Nigerian movie. What about this King of Boys? I used to like this King of Boys a lot, but it's an old movie. Could it be that they added another one? But I know this movie. How about this? Living Soon, the governor. I think this will be interesting, guys. Let's go for this first. Yeah, let's go for this. So let me relax, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Like, it feels so good to be at home, but like I miss those days when when I have my business at home, because I used to have my shop at home. Let me leave this story for another day. Like, I miss those days though. Like, sometimes it gets really tiring for me to go to leave my house and go to my shop. But one of the things I want to do this year is to get back a helper, nanny, those women that will come and wash and help me to, do some of the house chores and go. Because like, I've run that for 2 years alone. Nobody's paying me. I don't want to do that again. But let's see. Hi guys, happy new year once again. Do you say hi guys? Hi guys. So you guys, this is like 3 days after we came back from the village. I'm heading to the market right now. I want to go say hello to my neighbors in the shop, give them small new year package, and then buy some things and come back to this house. I've not resumed, okay? I'll still have to travel to the east, come back before I resume properly. That will be around ending January or February beginning, okay? That's all. See you guys. Talk to you in my next clip. Bye. Are you done? Come here. Come here. I should pack it like this. They will still calculate it, but you don't have to tie it. What have to know? How many